Kev G with a weather overview. How you doing? We are out of our heat wave now, and I think the next 7 days will have near to slightly above normal temperatures, a far cry from what we saw over the last few days. This is Noah. Like them on Facebook and Twitter. We got some surprise thunderstorms last night in the middle of the night. I slept right through it, but I heard all about it from some folks, and definitely delayed by a few hours than what I thought would happen yesterday. So we did get our storm, but it happened 6 to 8 hours later than I thought it would. And now we're on to the end of the week where we'll have a fine day tomorrow, and then Friday will be cloudy, and we'll start to get into some drizzle and light rain for Friday as our temperatures come back to where they should be this time of year. This is Noah. Like them on Facebook and Twitter. So I think if you want to characterize the weekend weather, I think number one, it's not a washout any of the days, Saturday or Sunday. I think that the overall theme will be a lot of clouds, a lot of humidity, and some scattered thunderstorms on Saturday, but I think it's mainly dry on Sunday. So if I had to sum it up in a couple of sentences, that's what I would say. So if we take it through the models here, we have a good day tomorrow, but then you'll notice in the afternoon, high clouds start to move in. We start to cloud up for Thursday night, and then Friday it gets muggy and warm because a warm front comes through, and we have light rain and drizzle during the day. So have the umbrella handy for most of the day, I guess, for your Friday. And then that front moves through Saturday morning, and for the rest of the day, we just have a lot of humidity with temperatures around 80. We have varying amounts of clouds, perhaps a few breaks of sun on Saturday, but mainly it's partly to mostly cloudy and some scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon, but not everybody will see one. And I think any one of these storms will be brief as they move along. Sunday, I think, is the drier day with temps near 80, but again, the humidity will be kind of on the high side. So it'll feel a little bit warmer than 75 to 80 on your Sunday. Now, the big change in the forecast that I noticed is that the front, which was a potent cold front, which was scheduled for Sunday night into Monday, has now been pushed back for about a day or so, so that it makes its entrance onto our playing field, so to speak, by Monday afternoon, Monday night. And I think this is where we see potentially strong to severe thunderstorms Monday afternoon into Monday night. Definitely a good dose of moderate to heavy rain with these thunderstorms. And they could be a little more potent than that as we go along into Monday night. But then things dry out for Tuesday. And our next frontal passage happens sometime on around Wednesday, but I don't think that'll be as potent. So the overall pattern for us moving into next week is characterized by one where heat really can't blast in here like it did earlier this week. And all of these great maps are courtesy of Tropical Tidbits, by the way. But as you can see on this model, we have lower heights across eastern Canada, and those lower heights signify to me that any real heat of immense proportions like we saw this week in the form of our heat wave will not be able to make inroads as we go along through next week. And I think that's reflected very well in Weather Underground's extended forecast here. A very nice day tomorrow with low 70s, lots of sunshine, but then it clouds over late in the day. And then we cloud up for much of the weekend, but I don't think any one of these days is going to be a real washout. I think Sunday, ignore that. I think that's a dry day for the most part. Monday is where we could see fairly strong to severe thunderstorms, and then it clears out for Tuesday. And then Wednesday we see another frontal zone come through. But hopefully this gives you an idea of what to expect. So enjoy your Father's Day weekend, and I'll see you next time.